I said, please, sir, put the seatbelt on. I said, please, sir, you alright? Look, this old man. He said, man, you know you damn stupid.
What?
Nah, we're not stupid. We're not never stupid as we were. We're looking good.
Oh, yeah, it's nice.
No, I ain't mean to talk to you, Dale.
Oh, it's
Hey, can you, please, sir?
Oh, yeah, I just gave you that. That's all I got left of.
Well, you just got him now.
Huh?
We just got him now.
Oh, no.
Hey, I don't know what you did. Now, but you know what, though, my man?
What's up?
God is a blessing.
Oh, yes.
Because when you close your mouth, it's a different story. I'm not talking to death. You know what? People have to go to school with.
Yeah.
I know what Mama say, you chop, you know.
Yeah.
But then the chop thing doing with the thing.
Yeah.
Well, when you get come back, it's a different story, Dad. Don't do that.
Oh, just something else, huh?
Yeah, I'm talking to the devil, my fault.
I'm not.
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
How old are you, man?
How old am I?
I got son of you. I got 135. I'm sick of my children. No, I'm not serious though, man. I don't know.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Up there. Huh?
You want to get food up there?
Oh, no, that's not mine. It's yours?
Shit.
That's yours?
Mike. That's on you. Mike.
Oh, no.
Now, hey, look. Thank you, baby.
Oh,
that's my ace. Hey, but you know what? That's my ace, too. Debo. Debo, walk around. Well, eat it then. You never know it's my bud. Guess what he gave me?
He gave you some food?
That's your one. My little baby brother. Come on, let's go eat.
Go ahead and eat,
Come
man.
on, man. Hey, you
What you about to do?
Hey. That's the old school right there. You wash your wax right here.
Okay.
In the back.
All right, well, yeah, take it easy, man. All right.
Oh, go make it like a hobby.
Oh, yeah.
They the top.
Yeah.
They don't put them no more. They like, what's this thing? Come and see where it came from.
Yeah.
I've been on them things, man.
All right, take it easy, man.
Yeah. Go stop down.
Huh? Oh, no, I'm good. Oh, huh? Oh, nah. All right, take it easy, man. What? I'll put it on.
Not Bob Valley.
Oh, yeah.
Hey. You already know this stuff.
Yeah. Take it easy.